Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, there's this video that was trending of Ushamiso and DJ Speedstar at the Metro FM Awards. As you guys can see, they are a couple here for those who don't know. So people were suspecting Gutaman something is wrong with this video. Ushamiso wanted to talk to the journalist Sana, but DJ Speedster was just dragging her by the hand. Attention, nope, you are not doing that, baby girl. Let's go. So people were suspecting this guy is abusive towards Ushami. So it looks like an abusive relationship. And then she commented on TikTok to defend her name and defend her relationship. She said, to be clear, my partner was telling journalists that I won't do interviews at a radio events occasion because I work at a different radio station and I respect that. Stop with the narratives. And she also said, I was not dragged around. He knew my boundaries around attending this event and was helping me maintain that. Also, I was shaking from anxiety because I don't like carpets. So I actually wanted to take a moment to breathe. Don't try don't try decide things about people you don't know about from a 5-second clip. So I really don't know, guys. Looking at the video, do you guys think that it's, I don't know, maybe it looks like he is abusive towards Ushamiso? I really don't know. Yeah, Nanje Ushamiso is just saying, but my man was just protecting me. There's nothing going on there. He is not abusive. He was just protecting me from the journalist Sana because she works for a different radio station. So maybe it's a conflict of interest. Ne? But nje, hey, Nanje, imagine you are wearing heels and your boyfriend is just pulling you like that. Like, hey, kuningi son, kuningi. But he does have tendencies of being violent, nyana, DJ Speedstar. He does have tendencies of being violent, nyana. This video was posted May 29 March, and he was just telling these people where to get off. He was telling these people that akabasabi and abanyeza one by one. So nje, it could be true or it could be not true. It could be false. I don't know, guys. Please let me know in the comment section.